Of you, you have a worksheet called the staff, and this is going to test your knowledge of notes in the treble clef, or known as the G clef. So here's the treble clef found at the beginning, and of course the staff is the 5 lines that you see right here that we put music on. So when you see the treble clef or G clef, instruments of a higher pitch would use this to do their notes, in order for them to know what pitch to play. So first off, we divide it into 2 sections, your line notes and your space notes. So first off, I put the letters starting from the bottom going up on line 1. The bottom letter for a line note would be E. Second line would be G. Third line is B. Fourth line is D. Fifth line is F. So E, G, B, D, F. Or you can do the saying, every good boy does fine. Every good boy deserves fudge. Whatever saying you did to help us remember what the line notes are. Now remember, the line is going to go through the middle of the note. You're not going to see these letters there. It's actually going to be like a whole note like that. Okay, now the second part of it would be the 4 spaces in between in the treble clef. This is a space note, fills up the space. And the space note starting from the bottom is face. So the bit space 1 is F. Second space is A. Third space is C. Fourth space is E. So F, A, C, E are the spaces. So basically at this point, you just need to figure out, first of all, if a note is a line or a space note. Secondly, where is the placement of it? If it's line 1, it becomes the letter E, and then you would play that on your instrument. If it's a space note and it's the first space, it would become the letter F. And you can notice that, yes, they do repeat themselves. There's E again and F again up here, because we talked about in a previous lesson the music alphabets A, B, C, D, E, F, G. And it's a continuous circle, I call cycle or circle, where it's going to repeat itself again. So then it goes back to A again once G ends. So let's take a look at the directions. Under each note, write the name of the line or space on which it has been placed. The notes in each measure spell a word, or it could spell a name. So we're going to take a look at number 1. Okay, so number 1, you're going to notice that, again, you look for the treble clef at the beginning. There are 3 notes, and you're going to go exactly in this order. You're going to start with the first one here. You're going to see I put some little dotted lines to go down, and your answer would go here. So you count up 1, 2, 3. Third line up, and the line is going through the middle of it, so therefore it's a line note. So therefore this is going to become B. So put your answer B. So now the second one, go to the right of it like you're reading a word in a sentence. Go to the right of it. You're going to look, is it a line or space note? Well, it fills up the space like this, so it's going to be a space note. So let's count up from the bottom. 1, 2, 3, 4. Let's look up at the top. What's the 4th space up? 1, 2, 3, 4. The 4th space up is E, so put your answer E right here down below it. And then again, go to the right of this. The next one is a line or space note. The line goes to the middle of it, so it's a line note. Count up from the bottom. 1, 2, 3, 4. So let's look. 1, 2, 3, 4. So the answer would be D. All right, so you filled in your first answer, B, E, D, bed. All right, go on and finish the rest of these. You'll see that there's 16 questions. It might be a name. It might not just be a word. It could be a name as well. And then at the bottom, I want you to finish labeling the answers here on the piano. There's 2 black keys. The left of it is C, then D, E, F. Then you're going to finish filling that in. I told you the music alphabet goes up to G, right? And then it goes back to A again. So you're going to probably go in alphabetical order. Let's see if you can do that. Challenge yourself. All right, good luck with the staff. Let's see how you make out.